Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear student, today our lesson is related to speaking, writing and project work. Please take out your English course book and turn out the page number 136. Dear students, page number 136, first part A is related to spelling. Read the words. We double the letter R to double R for a verb of one syllable when there is a vowel before the final R. Dear students, listen. Base verb bar, blur, spar, stir, tar and war. Every word has and the word single R and single R word before the vowel letter. Before the single final R or before the vowel letter. Bar vowel letter A, blur vowel letter U, spar vowel letter A, stir vowel letter I, tar vowel letter A and war vowel letter also having A. Dear student, when final word R and before word is vowel, then R to double R and plus ing. ing verbs. इसमें बेटे आपको ये समझाया जा रहा है कि अगर आर सिंगल आर के साथ कोई भी वर्ब एंड हो रहा हो और उससे पहले वॉवल लेटर आ जाए तो उस आर को डबल करके डबल आर लेके ing लगा दे। जैसे बार से बार टू बारिंग, ब्लर टू ब्लरिंग, स्पार टू स्पारिंग, स्टीर टू स्टीरिंग, tar to tarring, war to warring. Part B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word list above. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the words list above. Dear student, look at the pictures carefully. A child and a guard. The guard is barring John from entering the club because he is underaged. Dear student, look at these pictures carefully. Then read the sentence. The boxer is sparring with his coach before the match. Look at the pictures. One boy walking on the road and two girls are whispering, talking something about. Then read the sentence. By spreading gossip about Max, you are marrying his reputation. Look these pictures. Keep stirring the coffee to dissolve the sugar. Keep stirring the coffee to dissolve the sugar. Look at this picture. Soldiers fought the war. The two warring armies declared a truce to tend to the wounded. Dear student, turn the page number 137. Listen to the text and fill in the boxes. Book title: The Stilton and the Dragon's Code. The Stilton and the Dragon's Code book title. Author name: author The Stilton. And the setting is Mouse Ford Academy on Mouse Island. Favorite character: Thea. Reason for liking the book: Thea is an unusual lady. The twist and suspense in the story made it very captivating. Dear student, this table is solved by listening the audio KSCD. Then you write on your notebook. You can solve on your book also, page number 137. Then next topic is speaking. This is a discussion about a story. Read it aloud. Dear student, you can read this story in the presence of your parents or your tuition teacher or tutor. In the presence of your tutor, teacher or guardians, read carefully and learn the theme of this discussion, and then form groups of 4 and talk about a book all of you read. Take turns to ask and answer questions. You can ask, what do you think of the story? Which character did you find the most interesting and why? What do you think the writer is trying to tell us? Why did the writer write the story? One thing remember, dear student, take turns to talk each other. Be quiet and not interrupt when a person is talking about this story. Read the story carefully and accept all suitable answers which you have solved and write about this story. Creative writing work. Read the story, excerpt the pages 128 to 130 again. Write a short review on it. Remember to keep the following in your mind. Number 1. What did you like about the story? Dear students, you can read the story. What does future hold? What does the future hold? Story. What did you like about this story? Which you like this story? You can write here the answer. Are there any parts did you like, didn't like? Dear student, if you have any part of the story is not dislike, you can write here is the answer. Does the story have a message? If so, what is it? Which lesson do you receive from this story? Write here. Would you recommend the story to anyone? Why or why not? If you recommend another person, so write the reason, and if you does not recommend the other person, so also write the reason of the not recommending this story. Dear student, read the story again carefully and write these answers correctly. All suitable answers acceptable. Review exercise. What do you learn? Think about. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of 2 more nouns. You can also read this. So take on. A clipped word is the shortened version of a longer word. You also read this topic. So take on from the box. A blended word is formed by combining parts of 2 words. You also read in previous lectures. So take on. When we change direct directions questions into indirect questions. When we change direct questions to indirect questions, the tense of the verb changes. The question mark changes to a full stop. Yes, you can read. The subject is placed before the verb. If or whether is used if the direct question does not begin with the question word. You can read these topics also, and you put the tick mark on from the box. Write ing verbs that containing the letters R. Barring, blurring, sparring, steering, tarring and warring. Project work is also homework task. Choose 1 or 2 paragraphs with dialogues from a story you like. Write a new version of the story. Dear students, page number 128 and 130, choose any 2 paragraphs from the dialogue and write a new version story in your own words in the presence of your teacher, tutor or parents. Remember to use the correct tense. Change direct questions to indirect questions. 2 things remember also. Change the direct questions into the indirect questions and uses the correct tenses. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you. Stay at home and stay blessed. Wassalam.